back, or welcome if you're new here on today. Thanks so much for stopping by the channel for today's video. Well, this is a collaboration video hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things. Make sure to check the description box for their information below. So first things first, I pulled out my fall and autumn bin because I decided this would be a no spin fall kitchen vignette. So after washing and disinfecting my cutting board, I'm now using the Howard cutting board oil to refresh and condition this board. If you need more information or need a how-to video, I'll make sure to link my full video in the description box below for your convenience. So if you're coming over from any of the other ladies' channels, I appreciate you stopping by. This is The Price is Pearl Life with me, Katrina. And on my channel, I share my love of home decor, cooking, baking, vlogs, shopping hauls, and oh yeah, I love to clean as well. If these are things that interest you, you know what to do. Go ahead and join my growing YouTube family. It's fun and it's free, and I would appreciate your support. So for today's video, we were to include one of our favorite scriptures. My favorite scripture can be found in the book of Hebrews, verses 1, 2, and 6. Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen, for by it the elders obtained a good report. Without faith it's impossible to please God, for he that cometh to God must believe that he is, and he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. Remember, you must have faith. Again for stopping by the channel, and on your way out, don't forget to subscribe. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more, like today's video, sprinkle in between for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.